Hello and welcome, my dear friends. Welcome to another unboxing episode. I've just returned from the post office with this pack. It should contain two vintage mechanical pencils, very beautiful ones, you will see. I paid for the both of them, including the shipping cost 320 lays, or the equivalent of 64.55 euros, or 69.51 US dollars. So without further delay, this is the pack, and on this side it contains some personal information, so I will try to open it on one side, on this side, without revealing that part if I can. If I won't, probably I will try to edit the video. So it's right on this side. And it's quite tricky, guys, to open a pack just from one side. But I hope that the cutter will do me justice and I can remove it. Probably, I don't know if I will use this box anymore, but I will open it through this side, and this side. Yes, we have lots of papers, protective material, and I believe that this is the content, just papers. I will put the box aside and let me show to you the beautiful items. Like I said, there should be two vintage mechanical pencils. Let me remove them like this, or maybe three. I was expecting only two of them, or there are three. I don't know, guys. This will be a surprise even for me. Maybe the seller included a little gift, you never know. So what do we have here? The first item, very nicely wrapped. So the first item, yes, a beautiful one. And I don't know if the pictures give it justice, guys, but this is in a wonderful shape. And we have something thermically engraved right over here. I hope you can read it. Opocalcium. So probably this is an old mechanical pencil that was used to promote some old medicine. This seems like the name of a medicine. And we also have some identification on its body. Let me see if I can zoom. And we have Edakoto, made in France. Edakoto, made in France. And this is the name of a medicine, I believe. This should, let me see if I turn this, what happens. Yes, it has this mechanism. I'm not so sure how to operate it. So this is the first item, guys. Probably from the 1920s or the 1930s, but this material, let me tell you, this hard rubber, very nice. I'm not so sure about the pattern name, the pattern you can see on it, but it is in a very nice condition. Okay, guys, so this was my first item. Let me put it here and let me open the other ones. I thought there were only two, but it appears there are three. Maybe I forgot about one. One of them was certainly that model. And let me see what I have here. So here it should be also a mechanical pencil. And yes, and I remember this beauty. Look at it, guys. It's quite a fat one. It reminds me of the Mont Blanc mechanical pencil that Leonardo da Vinci, if you know what I mean. And it's quite interesting. Let me see. Here we have the producer engraved on the clip. Ste Stego, I think. And here, what do we have here? Let me see. Double, I think. Maybe it is double gold plated. I'm not so sure. No other engravings on it. You got to love that pattern. And yes, like I told you, this is a mechanical pencil. And it is in a quite good condition. So this is the second mechanical pencil. Very nice. All metal. So very elegant and sharp looking and durable. Probably from the 1930s. It has an Art Deco aspect to it. And the last item, let me see if I can remember. Let me see. Again, quite well wrapped. And oh yes, I remember this. So I remembered two mechanical pencils, but this one, oh my god, this is a wonderful, I believe, celluloid and a level filler. Very nice piece. We have something engraved on the clip and travelers made in USA. It opens by unscrewing the cap. A wonderful ebonite feeder and a beautiful U.S.A valve touch 14 karat gold plated nib. So a steel nib, gold plated. Unfortunately, the plating wasn't so good because you can see it was lost in time. But a wonderful lever filler. So this was the unboxing, guys. Stay tuned on my channel because each and every one of those lovely items will have a review. I want to thank the seller for delivering me such beauties. I will treasure them forever in my collection. I will give you details about them when I will do their reviews. So I have two mechanical pencils and a very beautiful fountain pen, probably from the late 1920s or the 1930s, made in U.S. I paid for all of them 320 lays or 64.55 euros or 69.51 American dollars, and I think I did quite alright. This price includes the shipping cost, so around 20 euros for each and every one of them. So I think I did quite nice. Tell me what you think in the comments, guys. Do you love my items? Do you think I paid a reasonable price, or maybe I overpaid for them? So this was their unboxing. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are. See you again in the next episode. Till then, bye bye, and God bless you all, my dear friends.